We'll guide you through how to connect mobile internet to a laptop via Bluetooth. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you can see I currently don't have internet on this laptop, but my phone does. So what we're going to do is go and share it using Bluetooth. What you need to do is go and find settings. Search for at the top if you can't go and find it. You need to go and find connections and tap there. Come into Bluetooth and you need to make sure that Bluetooth is turned on, as you can see. Now come onto your laptop and we need to press the Windows Start button at the bottom. Come up and you need to go and find settings. Press Bluetooth and devices to the left. Find the option for add device. Just make sure you've got your phone on as well and press add device. We're going to press Bluetooth. Now go and wait. You can see it's going to have found it, so we're going to go and click on it. We'll shortly go and get a pair pop-up on both devices. Click pair on the phone and connect on the computer, and we're now connected, as you can see. Now on the phone, come back into connections and you can find mobile hotspot and tethering. Turn on Bluetooth tethering like so. Now what you can do is you can go and click in the top right of the phone and press join personal area network. You can go and press connect like this and press OK, and that's it. You can go and see we're now connected. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.